Let's get started. First, open the Start menu. Type SYSDM Corporal, open it. Now click on the Remote tab. Make sure the following option is selected. Allow remote connections to this computer. Also make sure this option is checked. Allow connections only from computers running remote desktop. Now click on Select Users. If the account you want to connect with is not listed, click Add. Type the username of the account, for example, TechFix IT. Now click on Check Names. Once the account is recognized, click OK. Click OK again on all remaining windows. Now test the connection again. Method 3. Open the Start menu again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type ipconfig. Press Enter. Find the line that says IPv4 address. Make sure the IPv4 address matches the correct address you are using on the other computer. Double-check that you entered the correct IP address. If the issue still isn't fixed, type the following command: ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your computer. After restarting, try the remote connection again. The "Your computer could not connect to another console" session error should now be fixed.